How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you enjoyed the little intro video. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I'm Colored in Light Jackson. This is my 2011 NC Miata. It's an NC2 specifically. It's gone through a ton of changes. I've got tons of videos on it, on almost everything we've ever installed. So if you are new, go down below, hit that subscribe button, check out the playlist, check out the videos, check out the events. Lots and lots of things to cover and go over in this car. Every year of ownership, I did not a review, but like a yearly wrap up of what we've done to the car within the year. And I didn't do one last year because it just kind of fell to the wayside. I was in the middle of doing the 2.5 engine swap through the whole summer, glossed over that. The car wasn't even running last year. And then right after it got running, we basically took it to the track. It broke, fixed it. The clutch had a little issue, we had to fix that. And then recently we took it to the track again, had another little issue. So the last 2 years since you saw the year of modification videos, the car has just been not undergoing maintenance, but just working out the kinks of an engine swap. I had never done an engine swap before. So I'm just kind of learning as I go, really. So this video marks 7 years of me owning this car, which is absolutely insane. I've never had a car for that long before. It's gone through so many changes. It's weird to look at it compared to what it was when I first got it. So for 7 years I've had this car, and it's been my daily driver. It's been a track car. It's been a backroads warrior. It's been a weekend coffee shop run car, and it's been so amazing. The issues I've had with it have been so minor, like it's hard to think about it. The clutch pedal broke at one point. We fixed that pretty easily. The engine wasn't bad when I put in the new engine. I just wanted to do something new with the car. So the 2.0 engine that was in the car had 110,000 miles on it, regular oil changes, you know, the clutch was still good. It really has been an amazing car. If you're interested in an NC Miata, it is an awesome platform to get into. If you're looking to get into the sports car world, the NC Miata is an absolutely awesome platform to give it a shot. The pricing on these, as everything is kind of going up, but you can still get one of these for under $10,000, and even less if you get one with a blown motor and then you throw in a 2.5 and it's a totally different car. So reflecting back on my 7 years with this car, you know, I've done a lot of things with it that I never thought I would do, not only with cars, but kind of within my life. This car has been with me through relationships, kids. It's been to the track, first time autocross, first time track. We've just done so many things with it that we're going to continue doing. This YouTube channel wouldn't exist if it wasn't for this car. I started YouTube probably 8 years ago, roughly, and this car is the reason why the channel is the way it is today. I started off YouTube videos like making little gaming videos. I was just kind of trying some different things. I just wanted to try YouTubing, and sort of fell into this. And yeah, I mean, thanks to you guys, you viewers, subscribers, everyone who follows me on Instagram, on the Facebook pages, I wouldn't have met the people I know today, and I wouldn't have done the things that I know today without like this YouTube channel and this car. This car has shaped my life in a way, and I don't mean to sound dramatic, but genuinely has shaped my life in a way that I am super happy with everything that I'm doing now. Like all the friends I've made. You guys know who you are. People I've interacted with online. A lot of internet friends have become real life friends, and it's all because of this Miata. So brief overview in the past on these videos. I have a list. It's down in the description below that I update every single time I put something new on the car. That list is updated, so you can go down below. There's some links to products, but everything is listed there that's on this car with specifics. And really in the last year, we haven't done too much. In the last year, we've added some new end links. A new set of wheel spacers on the rear was recent. I didn't do a video on it because it was kind of a testing thing, and it ended up working out, so I've just left them on. I mean, you guys saw recently we got the hard top, we've got the big roll bar. We've also done the Corbeau seat, we've done the personal steering wheel. But mainly my focus on this has been working on the kinks of the 2.5 engine swap. Nothing wrong with the engine itself, just, you know, things I could have done differently at the time, some things I maybe should have done a little bit more research on, things I should have maybe taken my time on a little bit more, and I have to fix those things because, you know, the car, I've had this car and it's sat for a while. I mean, it took a long time to get the engine in. I've taken the engine back out again to do some fixes. The transmission has been off for the clutch change. So in the last year, the car has been down quite a lot, but I've also been driving it a lot. When I do drive this car, it's to go have fun. It's a fun car to take to the grocery store, but it's also been to the track. I haven't done an autocross in the 2.5 yet, but I want to give it a shot. So we've done autocrossing, we've done track days, we've done back roads driving, we've gone to car meets. It's just been like a staple in this channel, and now that we have two cars on the channel, the GTI being the other one, I have to do a video on this as well because I've owned the GTI for 2 years now, so that's really cool. But 7 years with a car is wild, and I only did a few little mods here and there before I started this YouTube channel, but really the majority of this car's life has been on display for you guys, and I film pretty much everything. I tell you guys everything that goes on with the car. A lot of YouTube people will kind of hide things, I guess, but I'm not like a big YouTuber or anything like that, but I try not to hide things because I know a lot of people watch and they learn. They say, thank you for posting this video, it helped me install this. I don't make how-to videos. Sometimes they're little guides here and there, but I'm not like a mechanic or anything. This is all DIY, all home in the garage. I mean, no lift, on my back on the cement. It's 100 degrees out in the garage right now. It's the middle of summer. Well, not even the middle, it's just starting, so it's only gonna get hotter. And there's been blood, sweat, and tears into this car, frustration. I mean, it's been crazy, and I'm just looking forward to seeing how long I keep it. There's been some ideas on what to do next for the channel, and I want to find a way to do it without having to sell something, because I love cars and I love this car, and I really would like to keep all of my cars that I get, you know, to have that collection or whatever. You know, I don't know what number of cars constitutes a collection, but you know, I'm at 2, 3 if you count our family car. So I'm trying to keep this video, you know, simple and just to show you guys that 7 years with a car is a long time to me, and the amount of things that we've gone through with this car and the amount of money we spent on the car, there's no return on that. The value you get, the value I've gotten back from this car has been my friends, meeting new people online and in meets and things like that, and experiences, things I don't know if I would have ever done without this car. And I mean, I've just driven the car to work every single day for years, and I would have never been able to really understand what the Miata platform was all about if I hadn't, you know, done all these things that you guys have been following me with. So I'm gonna try to wrap it up here. I know this is a talking video, and I'm trying to keep it short. Like I said, every single mod I've done to this car, there's a video on it. Subscribe to the channel, check out the playlist, check out the videos. And then down in the description below, there is a document that you can go and check out all the modifications in list, in detail. There's one for the Golf too. But if you're wanting to learn more, that is the best way to do it. So 7 years, wrapping up 7 years of ownership with this car. I still remember the day I got it. I mean, I remember all the things that I've done in this car and all the places I've driven in it, and it's just been, it's never left me stuck on the side of the road. So really, another way to wrap this up would be to say thank you to you guys. Without you watching the channel and subscribing and commenting and following me on Instagram, this probably wouldn't exist to the extent that it does, and I probably wouldn't have the same attachment or relationship to this car. So genuinely, it's a testament to you guys and the people who follow me and watch all the videos and subscribe to me on all my social platforms. Really thank you, genuinely thank you. And yeah, I don't really have too many words. I sat down thinking I would make this video really easily and just list off the mods, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to make it a little bit deeper and explain in a way that you know, after 7 years, this is the way the car sits, and I'm super happy with it, and I'm really having to start thinking about what is next. What is next for the NC Miata? So go down below in the comments if you made it this far in the video. Go down below, leave a comment what you might like to see next. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I know this was a talking video like I said, but I hope you're as excited as I am to continue seeing videos on the car and having me make videos on the car. If you want to follow me closer, follow me on Instagram. It's @coloredinlight, just like everywhere. There's a Facebook page and all that. And definitely subscribe to the channel and check out the videos I post pretty much every Sunday, and I try to post Wednesdays as well for the golf stuff. But that is the best way you can follow the car and experience the car with me. And I hope that you've enjoyed following the car over the last 7 years. So with that being said, as we end every video, make sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below. I'll see you in the next one.